and welcome to SweeTings. Today we are making chocolate covered strawberries, chocolate covered Oreos, and chocolate covered Rice Krispies. All right, and they are going to be in a masquerade design. I'm starting with the strawberries. As you can see, I already have my chocolate melted. I do have a video showing how to melt the chocolate, and I will link it at the top. But I dip my strawberry, and then you have to shake excessively to make sure you get all of that extra chocolate off of the strawberry if you want a nice and clean finish. Instead of laying my strawberries down, I like to stand them up so they have a nice clean coat all around instead of a flat bottom. So to dip my strawberry, I already have my toothpick in the center. I pull up all of the leaves so the leaves do not touch the chocolate, and then I dip the entire strawberry into the chocolate, and I like to make sure all of the strawberry is covered. Now it is time to start on the Oreos. I am using my rolls mold to make a chocolate covered Oreo. This is going to come out so cute. So what I do is fill the bottom with chocolate, and then I make sure the chocolate goes all around the base and the sides to create that first layer. Then I am going to put the Oreo inside of the mold and then cover it with some more chocolate. Now I am lightly tapping the mold to make sure everything is covered evenly. As you can see, you can still see the Oreo at the top, so I am going to add some more chocolate at the top to make sure it is fully covered. Now I'm about to fill my chocolate molds, and this is a Masquerade mold. You can use a piping bag, but I decided to just use the spoon that I had sitting right next to me to make the masks. You want to make sure you are tapping whatever molds you are using to ensure that the entire bottom of the mold is covered with the chocolate. Now that I have everything covered with chocolate, it's time to start decorating in the design that I would like. Today I'm using the Sugar Art, and this is their Sterling Pearl. This is the same thing as luster dust. The color that I'm using, I believe, is called Mermaid, and this came out so cute on the dark chocolate. I would advise to use a fluffy brush, which makes the strokes so much better. You won't see the paintbrush lines as much if you use a fluffier brush, and it does come out a little bit better than using a regular flathead brush. In addition to the sterling pearl, I am also using some diamond dust in the rose gold color from the Sugar Art. As I stated before, it is way easier to use a fluffier brush because you cover more of the strawberry and it takes less time. This first method I'm doing, I'm just using a dry brush and I'm just using the sterling pearl in its powder form. As you can see, it looks more like a dust. It gives that glittery form and it comes out shiny and beautiful. This second method is me using the same sterling pearl in the mermaid color, but with a liquid base. So I'm basically painting it on versus applying the dust. With this, I use lemon extract for the liquid, and then I mix in a little bit at a time with the powder, and then you get more of a paint stroke look than a dust look for your strawberry. And as I said, use a fluffier brush because it is easier, and then you'll see less of the paintbrush marks on the strawberry. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, sweet tings.